Please remember that futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I author in my weekly written reports. Prices shown on charts and quote bars are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. If you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your computer screen. Welcome traders, I'm Boyd Baker. Thanks for tuning in to my futures and options update. Today is Thursday, July 14th at about 3 p.m. I want to play weatherman here for a little bit because we're involved in a grain market. We're in the middle of summer during the key pollination time in corn, and it's going to get very interesting around here. Here we have the precip map for the next 6 to 10 days. This is put out by NOAA. You can see, folks, that it's going to be very dry right in the middle of the west central belt, parts of Iowa, Kansas, Nebraska, where they grow a lot of corn. It's going to be very, very dry. On top of this, we're going to put some temperatures that are going to be way beyond normal. We're talking 70% above normal here in that deep red. Folks, that's going to put temperatures right around in excess of 100 degrees here, and it's going to be here for quite a while. Now, how are the markets responding? They're starting to go up, but this is after a big decline in prices. So this is the weekly corn chart going into the growing season. They talked and advertised about a possible ridging pattern that we're showing developing, and prices were starting to rally, but they failed to get above really the 440 level. And here's this big rally to 440. What really happened here over the past 3 weeks is you've had near perfect weather. In all my years, 30 years of trading, I can't remember when corn was last reported at 76% good to excellent. So it's been a greenhouse out there, corn market, plenty of acres. It got in well this year. You've had timely rains here in June and in July. So we've had a big decline in basically $1 from 440 down to 340. And now the market looks like it's starting to catch. So where do we go from here? Well, if these weather models start to come together, it could be very interesting. If you want to get involved in the corn market, by all means, you can give me a call here at 866-973-2079. We'll help devise a strategy for you. If the weather plays out as it is, it could get very interesting. The volatility is there. It's that time of year where yield declines can happen in corn. So if you want to get involved, by all means, give us a shout here at 866-973-2079.